Easiest way to work out how many eggs your chickens have laid in over a week. So first of all, you want to know how many chickens you have in total, hence why I say always document. So you write down the number of chickens that you have, and then you multiply it by the number of days. So let's say you have 10 chickens, so then you multiply 10 times 7, which will give you 70. So then you're expecting 70 eggs by the end of the week. Obviously, this is not possible because chickens only lay 1 egg in every 26 hours. But now let's say they didn't lay 70 eggs, they lay 50 eggs. So then you go 50 divided by 70 multiplied by 100. So you go 50 divided by 70 times 100, and this will give you the percentage your chickens have laid in 1 week. And you can do this for 1 year, 1 month. Let me know what you think about this. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like the video, share with others, especially new people that are new to the poultry industry that might benefit from this. Thank you so much for your love. Thanks for your support. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.